so many things about melamine amylase.
Melamine can be produced by synthesizing ammonia from natural gas or coal, or by melting urea. Therefore, the upstream raw materials mainly include coal, natural gas, and urea. Melamine and formaldehyde are used as the main raw materials to produce MF glue, which is widely used in wood processing, impregnated paper products, and adhesive industries. At present, the consumption of board and impregnated paper accounts for 58% of the domestic consumption structure of melamine. In the wooden board industry, UF glue and UF glue are also widely used. Melamine is also a major raw material for high-end molded products. Melamine, formaldehyde, pulp and other additives together can produce melamine molding compound, short name MMC, what is used to produce excellent tableware. Melamine tableware is resistant to high temperature, dirt, impact, glossiness, and aesthetics, and is deeply loved by the high-end market. In the molding pound products, there are also UMC, what is made from urea, formaldehyde and pulp, and melamine glazing powder used a lot on the tableware coating and decal paper part. In addition, melamine is also widely used in advanced coatings, paper making, textiles, leather, electrical and other industries, and has a close relationship with the national economy. Qingdao EASTHONY has been working in the melamine field more than 15 years, exporting large quantities of melamine, MMC, UMC, etc. Welcome all friend inquiry and join us.